Okay, so me and Frankie are out on our ride, and there's a slight flood, so you can say. Now, Frankie's not keen on it, as you can see, but hey, we'll walk. We'll walk a bit more. Good boy. It's a little flood. Splish splash. Good boy. And that was Frankie, who freaks out at water, but is actually taking me into it with his ears pricked forward. There's still more floods going on. So have a little trot for this one. Trot on. Good boy. Woo! Good boy. Good fun. Good boy. This is the pony that doesn't like floods, but his ears are forward, and it's up to about his knees at the minute, and he's being an absolute soldier. Good boy. Oh, good boy. It's being so good. Should we have a trot? Trot on. Woo! Trotting through water. Good boy. This is good exercise. And there we go. There's our little flood ride. Frankie was so good. Good boy. Bye bye.